BBC.
Nice to see you, Jeremy Bowen from the BBC.
Hi, Marie Calvin. We've met before. Nice to see you.
This is a very nice spot here. This restaurant is excellent.
And you're in Tripoli.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Gaddafi, thanks very much for seeing us. It's nearly 7 o'clock in the evening here in Tripoli, and you're in your capital city, but there are large areas of this country which you don't control anymore. There are even people in towns quite near here who are part of this rising, this rebellion. What are you going to do about all of that?
What is the question?
The question is that there's a rebellion going on in this country. What can you, as leader of this country, do about it?
يعني ممكن أول مرة نقابل الصحافة هذه الأيام. الحقيقة التقدير لهذه
Maybe this is the first time I meet journalists these days. As a mark of respect for the establishment you represent, and because I was informed that you're here to tell the truth and relay facts to the whole world, I've decided to meet the press. Although I had so many requests for interviews, I prefer to address the masses. I don't like to appear on television or give interviews. For a while now, the world has been hearing about the presence of Al-Qaeda in the Muslim Maghreb. We never thought that Al-Qaeda will come to Libya one day. Suddenly, over the past few days, they took advantage of what had happened in Egypt and